Here's the app called GoPhoto, AI photo and video maker, ready to create amazing AI photos and videos. Download GoPhoto now and unlock your creative potential. Don't use average boring photos anymore. GoPhoto Pro features unlimited AI styles, AI figure effect, faster image, export without watermarks. So here, as you can just see it, and you can just go and install it. And that's kind of the idea. Quite interesting new app. Just installing it here. There is 7-day free trial, 7-day full access for $9, then $10 per week. You can just try it like that. And then this is what you have. You need also to buy coins. So that's how you get started.